This is our child lock for our toilet. It was super easy to install. It just came with a sticky pad that goes on the bottom of this and a sticky that attaches to the back of the toilet. This is just the lip that the arm catches on. They're super strong, so even if your kids are pulling on it, they're not going to be able to pull that off. And all you have to do to use it is push this button in, and you can see it automatically swings over. So when the arm is down like this, it is locked. It prevents me from opening the toilet. I can't throw anything in there. I'm not worried about my kid climbing in there or putting his face in there. She has tried to open this many times with this locked and it hasn't gotten in and it hasn't broken. To unlock it, you just push this down and pull that over. And then it stays here. Super easy to use, super intuitive, easy for adults, hard for kids. We haven't had to take it off, so I don't know how easy it is to get off. I imagine it's not going to damage the toilet, but maybe I'll make another video whenever that day comes.